the value of money and percent. Clyde works as a part-time assistant manager for a local coffee house to earn money to help pay for his college expenses. He makes $11.60 an hour. Okay, $11.60 per hour. So, okay. The coffee house sells whole bean coffee, mugs, and other coffee products. Clyde earns 0.50 cents for each of these items he sells. Okay? Last week he worked 20 hours and earned $251. How many coffee products did he sell last week? Okay, so we have X coffee products, right? He sold last week. So X is amount of coffee products. Sold last week. Okay. Next, we know that he makes $11.60 per hour and he worked last week 20 hours. So last week he made earning is gonna be $11.60 times 20, and it's gonna be $232, right? Okay, next. And he got 50 cents, let me see. He got 50 cents for each of these items he sells. So on the top of this 232. So earnings, let's write down. Earnings for coffee product it's gonna be $232 plus 0.5x. X is amount of coffee products, right? So per each got 50 cents, 0.5. So on the top of this $232 earning. And this is going to be equal to 151. Okay? Next. So we are going to solve for x. 232 plus 0.5x is equal to 251. And this is equal 0.5x equal 251 minus 232. And 0.5x is equal 19. And if we divide by 0.5 both sides, we are getting x is equal 38. So we get that Clyde sold 38 coffee products. Okay? All right, next question. Mrs. Peterson's triplets all want to attend the local private academy where they are required to wear uniforms. Mr. Peterson knows, Mrs. Peterson knows that the only way she can afford these uniforms is to shop early. Put uniforms on layaway and pay little every week. The total uniform cost for 3 girls is $665.43. If she put down a deposit $400 and she could afford $15 per week, how long would it take for her to pay off the uniform? Okay, so amount of weeks, rather saying we put this way, amount of weeks to pay off, yes, is going to be X. Okay, so then total weekly payment is going to be total weekly payment is going to be, since we have $15 per week, it's going to be 15x dollars, right? Now, total cost of union, we know, total cost of uniforms, not union, sorry, uniforms, is going to be how much? $665.43. Okay, so from here, what we can put together? So deposit, I forgot, we have also deposit, right? Deposit, total deposit is going to be, where is it? Here it is, $400. Okay, so from here we have 400 plus 15x, right? Weekly payment. So in total, it's gonna cost $665.43. From here, 15x is equal $665.43 minus 400. 15x is equal to 265.43. And if we divide 265.43 divided by 15, it's gonna be, let's divide 265.43 divided by 15. It's gonna be 1 time 15. Remainder is 11, bringing down 5. It's gonna fit 7 times. So 5, 0 and 1. Remainder is gonna be 0 and 1, 10, bringing down 5. 105 by 15, it's gonna be, wait, 265 point, okay, so since we used already, okay, hold on. So we already used it 5, so it's coming down 4 and decimal point here because this we used 5 already. So 104 divided by 15, it's going to be 6 times, is 90, and subtract, it's going to be 143. 143, it's going to be, I don't know how many times, 7 and 4, no, 8 times. Let's see. Or even 9 times. 9 times 5, 45, 4 in mine, 9 and 4, 14. So it's going to be equal approximately 17.69, and it's asking you to round till whole number. It's going to be 18 weeks. Okay, let me clean this mess here. All right. Question number 3. What do we have here? The camera Melissa wanted for her birthday is on sale at 38% of usual price. Okay, So it's going to be amount of discount, it's going to be 0.38x, right? Discount is 38% of price, which is x, we don't know. 0.38x. And I will put here the price, original price. Because that's what it wants to know. So always whatever wants to know, it's going to be our x. Discount is going to be 0.38x dollar. Here also dollar. Now, how much the dollar, the amount of discount is $186.20. Amount wise, is 186.2. Okay. So from here we can say that 0.38x, right? It's same thing, 186.2, it's equal, right? So from here we need to find the price, x. X is going to be equal 186.2 divided by 0.38, which is equal 18620. By two positions we are moving, right? Because we can divide by decimal notation. We move by two position here, therefore here also 1 and 2 position here. And our x is going to be equal 490. So original price is $490. Not bad at all, huh? To buy $490 product, buy $486. Okay, next one. Question number 4. Catherine Lubov inherited some money and invested at 2% simple interest. Okay. At the end of the year, the total amount of her original principal and the interest together was $13,260. How much was originally invested? So we put invested X amount of dollars. So interest for 1 year is 0.02x, right? Dollars, because 2% interest. All right. So from here, if a total invested X dollars and accumulated 0.02x the interest, and total is 13,260, right? Let me add here total. Not this way. Let me put better way. Interest plus investment, like that, is equal 13,260. Okay, so x plus 0.02x is equal 13,260. From here, 1.02x is equal 13,260, and dividing by 1.02 here, 1.02 here, x is equal so total, if we divide, 13,000. All right, was invested originally. Question number 5. parents set up a trust fund for their children last year. Part of it is earning. Part of it is earning 7% interest per year, while the rest of it's earning 6% interest per year. They place total 7,000 in the trust fund. So trust fund is total 7,000. Okay, in 1 year. In 1 year, the trust has earned $450. So total interest is $450. Okay, so amount invested at 7%. So at 7%, we have how much? X. We don't know how much. X dollars amount. And at 6%, we will have the rest, right? Because portion was invested for 7%, portion for 6%. If X amount of dollars invested for 7%, for 6%, it's going to be $7,000 minus X. Okay? So from here, what do we have? X amount of dollars times 7%, it's going to be 0.07, right? And then plus 0.06, because it's at 6%, 7,000 minus X, and all this is equal interest for 7%, and then interest for 6%. Total is going to be $450. If we solve it, it's going to be 0.07x plus 420 and minus 0.06x is equal $450. So from here we get like terms 0.01x is equal $30 because we need to combine 420 moving over, and it's going to get 30 total, and x is going to be together. If we divide 30 divided by 0.01 will be equal $3,000. This is at 7%. So at 6%, it's going to be how much? If 3,000 invested for 3%, 3,000 for 7%, then at 6%, it's going to be 7,000 minus 3,000. It's going to be $4,000. Okay. Question number 6. Little Melinda has nickels and quarters in her bank. She has 4 fewer nickels than quarters. She has $30 in her bank. How many coins of each type she has? So, amount of quarters. Is X. Amount of nickels is X minus 4 because it's 4 fewer nickels than quarters. Okay, now value of quarters, since 1 quarter is 25 cents, then X quarters, it's going to be 0.25x. Value of nickels, it's going to be, since nickels is 0.05, so amount of nickels is going to be 0.05 minus times x minus 4. Okay, and total change she has in the bank, total she has $30. Okay, So let's add if we add value of quarters and add value of nickels should be $1.30. And we get 0.25x plus 0.05x minus 4 is equal 1.3. So from here, 0.25x plus 0.05x minus 0.2 is equal 1.3. So from here, if we combine, we get 0.3x is equal 1.3 plus 0.2. 0.3x is equal 1.5. And from here, x is equal 5. This is amount of quarters, right? And nickels is x minus 4, right? X minus 4, which is 5 minus 4 is equal 1. So this is amount of nickels. And the last question. Madeline Logan is an office furniture dealer who earns $19,000 base salary. Okay. $19,000. She also earns 5% commission. Okay. 0.05x. So she sold 0.05x. What is our x? Our x is how much she sold furniture. So amount of sold furniture. Okay, is x dollars. So for X furniture, she earned commission 0.05%, 0.05, which is 5%. And she earned a total $46,000. All right. So what do we have? So total she earned at her base salary $19,000 plus her commission 0.05x. She's getting total $46,000. Okay, so from here 0.05x is equal 46,000 minus 19,000, and we are getting 27,000. Okay, so 0.05x is equal 27,000. X from here is equal 27,000 divided by 0.05, and it's going to be equal $540,000. So she sold total $540,000 worth furniture. And for this sale, she made total how much? $46,000, which commission is going to be $27,000, right? Commission. Because 0.05, look here, 0.05 is a commission, and we are getting here 0.05 is equal $27,000. So 500, have almost more over than $500,000 sale. She made 27,000 commission. Okay, I'm done. See you next video.